One tool got me a 40% pay increase, and the client I was working for at the time eventually became my employer. It all started with Smartsheet. Here's the path I took so that you can follow as well. If you ever felt stuck at your job, undervalued or underpaid, this video is for you. I've been exactly where you are. I started from nothing. No big fancy degree, no big network, and working a second job on the side just so I can make ends meet, doing Instacart. I needed a way out. What I needed was the willingness to learn and a tool to help me get there and jump in with both feet, mixed in with some faith. And that one decision changed the entire trajectory of my career. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I took. These 6 steps, and if you follow them, I have no doubt that your end journey will be just like mine, if not much better. Let's dive in. Step 1. Step 1 is learning Smartsheet the correct way. And I want to be very clear in what I mean by the correct way in learning Smartsheet. A lot of people get this wrong. They watch a few YouTube videos, read a few help articles, poke around in Smartsheet for a couple hours, and then get frustrated and confused why they're still lost. This isn't learning Smartsheet. This is stumbling your way through and exploring. Learning the right way means building a real foundation. It means not just knowing what the features are, that's the easiest part, but how to use them, when to use them, how to connect them, how to solve real problems with them, how to build solutions with them. It's one thing to know how to turn a car on, it's something else entirely to know how to drive it. Once I learned Smartsheet the correct way, that's when everything changed. I stopped feeling lost and frustrated in the tool and began to really feel like I can build anything with it. The confidence is what everything else in this roadmap is built off of. You cannot skip this step. So before you do anything else, I want you to commit to learning this tool properly. No surface level, deep. I want to invite you to my Smartsheet Dashboard Challenge. It's a 5-day challenge where I show you the step-by-step process how professionals make dashboards so that you stand out. This is your first step in really growing in Smartsheet. Click on the link below and save your seat. Seats are limited. All right, back to this video. Step number 2, get Smartsheet certified. Smartsheet offers a lot of certifications, and I want you to start with the foundational one. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Do I really need a Smartsheet certificate? And the answer is yes, you do, but not for the reasons you're thinking. Going through the certification process itself helps you close in some of the gaps. And once you get that certification, it raises your bar of confidence in yourself. And it gives you something tangible that you can point to and something that you can put on your freelance website or on Upwork later on down the road as you're building out those solutions. And I'm going to be getting into that here in just a few moments. On Upwork, on your resume, and that job promotion, that badge carries weight. Get it. Step number 3, use the skills that you've now learned in Smartsheet and you're certified in back at your job, in your career that you're at right now. This step is the one that most people overlook, and it actually might be the most important step for you. You don't need to go anywhere new to figure out old problems to fix. Those problems are right there where you're at right now. That's where you want to dive in and start building out those solutions. Start looking at the workflows around you differently. What's inefficient? What's being bottlenecked? What's being tracked right now on a sheet or a report that really should be reflected on a dashboard? Start solving those problems. Build those solutions and start showing your work to your boss. When your boss sees that you're saving time, building momentum, removing bottlenecks and pain points, you're going to start getting noticed, and you're going to start bringing a real professionalism to yourself in the job place. You're going to stop being just another employee, and people are actually going to be looking up to you and relying on you. You're the person that people come to get things done in Smartsheet. That's the kind of visibility that leads to raises, promotions, and better career opportunities that you didn't have to ask for. Step number 4 is taking your Smartsheet skills outside of the normal workplace, outside of your normal 9 to 5. What this looks like is going on a platform like, say, Upwork or Fiverr. And Upwork is where I got my start. Upwork is a place where freelancers can go in and do small, odd jobs online for other companies. And there are a lot of Smartsheet asks here. And what I've learned in this step is don't try to go for the most expensive thing first. the first thing you actually want to go for is you want to get 5-star reviews. That's your main target for the next 3 or 4 clients. And then after that, you can start charging more and charging more and charging more and picking out what you want. Now, this is what I want you to understand about this step. It's not about being the smartest Smartsheet user. It's about knowing just a little bit more than the person you're working for. So let's say it's a scale between 1 and 10, and 10 being the best Smartsheet user that ever lived, and 1 being you just learned how to log on to Smartsheet. Let's say you're a 4. You can serve everyone that's a 1 to a 3. And little secret here, 90% of people that have a Smartsheet license or have a Smartsheet account for their company are between a 1 and a 3. They need someone who's a 4 and above to do work for them in Smartsheet. Just take that first project and get started. And as you build out these projects, you're going to start gaining momentum. And again, you're going to be building that confidence. That confidence is what helps you get through each one of these steps. Step number 5. All right, you've done 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 projects now on Upwork, and you're starting to get into your groove. Now it's time to start raising your prices. It's time to start posting your demos and your dashboards and things that you built for other clients, or maybe even a demo environment for yourself on Upwork. And what happens on Upwork is it rewards people who get 5-star reviews. It rewards people who are well with their clients, and it starts feeding them work that other people are not privy to. They put you at the top of the list. And I kid you not, before you know it, you're actually going to start turning away work. They're going to start sending you recommendations. And it's exciting for a while. And then it's like, well, I'm actually turning away more work than I am accepting. And as you're doing that at the same time, you can slowly start cranking the dial up and charging more for your prices, because that's your marketplace value. Not your value as a person, but your value in the marketplace. Everyone is worth more than $1 million. But your marketplace value, that's what people pay for. And as your confidence level grows, that dial is turning up and you can charge more. All right, now we're at level 6. So at this point, you have clients that are consistently coming in through Upwork. A lot of times these are going to be repeat clients. And no doubt you're going to start having offers. Hey, can you work for me for the next 6 months, for the next year? I want to hire you full time. So it's up to you. You can keep working your normal 9 to 5 and doing the Smartsheet work on the side. That's perfectly fine. Or if you really want to jump in with both feet and not look back and really go all in on it, you can do freelance work full time. Now, there are pros and cons of working for yourself versus working for a company, retirement, benefits, things like that. You got to weigh that out if that's something that you want to pursue. But now the ball is in your court. At any time, you can choose what you want to do with your skills. Clients are now coming to you. You're not chasing them. You're making more money than you ever have before. And you always get the choice. Do I want to work for myself or do I want to work for somebody else now? Either way, I'm making more money. And it all starts with confidence. You move through each level through confidence. And the way you build that confidence is knowing the tool in and out, knowing Smartsheet for yourself. Now, I'm not going to pretend that all this happened overnight. There was times where I didn't know if it was worth doing, if it was worth pursuing. I felt like I was wasting my time at times. It took willingness and consistency even when I didn't feel like it. But I can tell you from my personal experience, this path is real. I walked it and I started from nothing. And if this video has been helpful to you, please like, share it to your friends, share it to your coworkers, share it to whoever you want to share it to. All right. As always, take care and God bless.